Good morning, students. I welcome you all in English session. Today we are going to learn one new topic, and that is very interesting topic. Our topic name is figure of speech. And today in this session we are going to cover simile. So let's start today's session. So first of all, we will learn something about figure of speech. Students, a figure of speech is a word or expression used not with its original meaning, but in an imaginative way to make a special effect. Means, a figurative language is used in the text or in poetry for special effect. Whenever we want to make something new or we want to make some special effect in the text, when whether it is poetry or prose, so for that purpose we use figurative language. So figure of speech is used for special effect in the text. I think you understand that why we use figurative language in the prose or poetry. So now we are moving to the very first figure of speech, that is simile. A simile is a figure of speech that makes a comparison showing similarities between two different things. It means whenever we want to compare someone to another person, right? So for that we need two objects. So here it is clear that a simile is a figure of speech that makes a comparison. This figure of speech is used for comparison, and it shows similarities between two different things. Simile shows similarities between two different things. So here for using simile we required two objects, right? A simile draws resemblance with the help of the words like or as. So whenever we want to write something by using simile, we will take the help of these two words, and that is like or as. And therefore it is a direct comparison. So I hope you have understood the meaning of simile. Now we are taking some example of simile. Our very first example of simile is, our soldiers are as brave as lions. So if this sentence you have seen somewhere, so some person is asked to you that if there in this sentence some figure of speech is used or not. So your answer will be yes, figure of speech is used over here. And if someone wanna ask you that in which part figure of speech is used, so your sentence will be as brave as lions. And if someone again asked you that which figure of speech is used over here, so your reply will be simile is used over here. And if they want to ask you that why it is simile, so your response will be because here comparison is given between soldiers and lions, and in these two objects one similarity is here, that is bravery. So here simile is used. Now our second example, he is as cunning as fox. If I ask you that figure of speech is used over here or not, so your response will be yes, figure of speech is used here. And if I ask you that in which words figure of speech is used here, so your response will be as cunning as fox. And if I ask you that which figure of speech is used over here, so your reply will be here simile is used. And if you will have to give reason that why simile is used over here, so response will be because two object is required in simile. So here we are having two object. Object number 1 is he and object number 2 is fox. And second requirement for simile is first requirement is we need two object. So we are having two object over here, and another requirement is one similar quality will be there, must be there. So here one quality is cunning. Now example number 3, he is as funny as a monkey. So we need two objects are here, and resemblance is here, resemblance is also here, and that is funny. Our last example is her face a sheen like that of a corpse. So here also simile is used because like word is here, and comparison is given, resemblance is also here. So I hope you can understand that what is simile, why figure of speech is used in text or in prose or in poetry, and what is simile, and how we recognize that simile is used in particular sentence or not. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching the video.